Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a common disorder in women of reproductive age. 1 in 10 women of childbearing age is affected by PCOS. Some of its symptoms are irregular periods, excessive hair growth, weight gain, and acne. But still, awareness in our society regarding PCOS is lacking. It's for this reason that the month of September is observed globally as PCOS Awareness Month. In this video, I'm going to share with you how one can fight PCOS by making changes in their diet. Number 1. Include less glycemic index foods in your diet. That means more barley, oats, wheat, chickpeas, etc. According to Hindustan Times, these foods provide vitamin B complex and carbs to the body. Dietitians and nutritionists often recommend women with PCOS to opt for a low glycemic diet. It's a great lifestyle choice. Number 2. Lean protein. Although protein is a big requirement for women with PCOS, it's better to opt for lean protein. Sources which contain amino acids that your body can make use of and make hormones. Fish is excellent, dried beans, legumes, soy are great too. Number 3. They should also increase their intake of antioxidants. A study reports that using antioxidants has a significant effect on insulin resistance. So, opt for lots of seasonal fruits like apple, guava, cranberries, figs, oranges, etc. Number 4. Probiotics like curd or charch are great too. Consuming probiotics regularly can help minimize PCOS symptoms. Log on to HT to try this amazing PCOS-friendly drink. And finally, we come to the spices. Yes, why should PCOS diets not have the spice of life? Well, cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity in women with PCOS symptoms. In a study, it was also found that cinnamon could improve menstrual cyclicity in women with PCOS. Plus, why not? Anything with cinnamon is 100 times tastier, right? Even ginger extracts can be very helpful. Ginger keeps the immune system strong and can even provide relief during period pains. Other herbs that can really help in a healthy lifestyle for a PCOS woman are ashwagandha, methi seeds, turmeric, and tulsi. Eating herbs, probiotics, lean protein, and low glycemic foods can help women with PCOS manage their health better. But at the same time, some things have to be let go. Yes, we mean unhealthy lifestyle choices. Red meat is a no-no. Even avoid the cakes and pastries. Say bye-bye to fried food like samosa. They don't have anything healthy in them. Don't eat food too late. Best to finish dinner by 7 p.m. PCOS is not the end of the world. It can be effectively managed. Even Sara Ali Khan has PCOS. And she fought back with healthier lifestyle choices. I guess that's enough motivation, right? Now, if you like this video, share it with someone who has PCOS and is looking for some health motivation.